You see water backing up, your drain's telling you something. To find out more about this problem, continue this video. Sign number 1, water draining slower than the internet on a rainy day. That means gunk's already building up in the pipe. Food, hair, grease, the usual suspects. Sign 2, gurgling sounds. You turn off the tap and it sounds like your pipes are talking back. That's air trying to push through trapped waste. Not a good sign. And sign 3, the smell. It's horrendous and you can smell it from a mile away. If it hits your nose before you see the sink, it's time to act. That stink, it's a warning. Don't wait till it overflows, floods, or backs up in your bathroom. One call can save hundreds. Total Plum Control. Real plumbing, real solution. Experience you can trust. Control you can count on.